Our team meets 2 days a week for a total of 4 hours. Since our time is limited, we have to use many networking tools such as Google Groups, Google Drives, and instant messaging forums such as Slack. However, since we have such limited meeting times, when the competition does become closer, then we meet 4 days a week for 2 hours each to try to get as much work done before the actual competition. Since we are such a small team, we have to focus on each member and using their special abilities to actually get everyone to work on the robot. So, like a person might plan, prototype, test, analyze, and then finally finalize your robot.
We used PTC Creo, a CAD design software to design a robot and create a strategy to maximize the amount of points we would get in every round. Our drivetrain is built for redundancy, with one wheel connected directly to the motor, and then the two outer wheels connected to the motor using sprockets, so that if the sprockets disconnect during gameplay, we still have full motor control. We are currently using a ball collector made from PVC pipe and surgical tubing to collect the balls and place them on a ramp, which will be here, to score into the lower goal. We've also purchased a highly geared motor to drive the shooter wheels, which will be here, without destroying the motor gearbox like other motors would when they're highly geared and the wheels stop sharply. The cat-shaped foam board on the back of our robot will be designed to push the buttons of the field beacons without damaging the beacons or our robot in use. Since our strategy is flexible, we're easily able to adapt to our alliance in order to score the maximum amount of points in autonomous, tele-op, and the end game.
Our team has created a program where our members volunteer at the Primary Learning Center once a week after school. We incorporate 15 students from the iPrep Lower Academy to learn about the mechanics and processes of building a LEGO Mindstorm robot. We currently have one junior member from middle school, and we also hope to incorporate more middle school students into our program.
So, fundraising is a really important part of what we do. Knowing this, we started off the season early by researching and finding a bunch of different scholarships that we could use to our advantage. Over the summer, we researched several scholarships, such as the PTC grant. So, after this research, we applied to several different scholarships and attained a $1,000 grant from PTC. Every Friday, we continue our attainment of money using pizza sales in conjunction with the PTA downstairs. Weekly, this brings about $400 in revenue. We use this for many parts, such as robot parts, competition fees, and registration fees.